Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Hey guys, indaba yaseMadlanga is becoming hectic. This is a second person. You're leaving the world. Phela uLeandre Pretorius has just unalived himself because he was just like, no, this is the easiest way out for me because vele sebetrayile ukungibulala, so I must just go so that I don't have problems. He actually unalived himself outside a petrol station in Boksburg. Hey, uMadlanga is hectic, guys. Hectic. Anyone just implicated around. You remember that guy that was thrown in the dam and Mkhwanazi, Julius is implicated the EMPD general there. Yeah, I'm just like so surprised. I didn't expect that. I was just like, I'm going. I don't even want to try, and because I'm going to be ducking and diving anyway. I've just ducked and dived so many bullets. So which means it's much better actually. Yo. Wow. But he was with his friend, and then his fiance, who's also a police officer, also came, and then an argument started just between the three of them. I even think I always say, don't be selfish like that. And then like if you wanna go, just go, bruh. Please. And I always feel good abantu abenza kanjalo, people who unalive themselves. I get it. There's a lot of stories around you. That's what the person was going through. But they cowards, like, why would you do that? And that whole thing of going with other people, that's the most selfish thing. Hamba, please. And the police have the CCTV footage, they've collected it. But my thing is that, yebo, they did fight all three of them. But so what must happen now? You're gonna investigate what? You're gonna investigate the other two that's way with him to do what? Hey guys, it's easy to reach. But guys, iMadlanga is more hectic than ad hoc for me now. This is the second person going. As what is going on, and eventually he was gonna be called at Madlanga, brothers, because he must actually answer about that body that was found in the damn Gampens. And the family Gampens has actually come out to say, we wanna know what happened to him. Ngaleso sikhathi uGeneral Julius Mkhwanazi uyaphika usangimaza, you are sweating there, drinking water like you've never seen. But noma sekuthiwa udehydrated ngeke uphuza amanzi kanje. Witness D, Marius van der Merwe, was the one that actually implicated uLeandre because they were in the same circles. But they from Boksburg labantu. Yeah, I buy hectic. Someone even said, you know that van der Merwe Marius was a K machine. Is there anything like that, guys? I was like, hey, but is there anything like that? Was a walking muntu obulalayo. He was a walking something like that. Because of white. I was like, guys, that's a country. Was I insane low in himself? Jobabulawa. No, Luamuntu was very dangerous. Mistake. Imagine. So he was implicated by Maria Sigelo at Madlanga. That is why I as soon as possible. I but ngcono kazi mayihambele ezoyiphumelela cause it was a lot. It's hectic le into. Ngoba seko papa on Thursday already. Akudlula ngisho 2 days. And Ufani Masemula had a briefing talking about the police officers that are going to be arrested. Julius Mkhwanazi, top 3. Yeah, we have some short track for me, like I've always said. I've always said it's short track number 1. So as far as our police officers are 5 fanele aboshwe, but in any case Miss Ozempic fanele aboshwe ne Ozempic yakhe uzoyidla ejele uzoyiphuza khona. Those people have done a lot of damage in the country, taking advantage of their jobs. They don't respect their jobs with people. They're so disrespectful. Oh my gosh, like, how do you disrespect your job? And no one do Miss Ozempic. uRachel Majing, you can see ukuthi lo muntu is not even 50. The person is between 40 and 49 mina ngokwami. She's very young. Her career is done. Lokuhleka eMadlanga thinking this is funny. It's oh Madlanga was my lover. To Josh Madlanga, stop it. You are not involved in a relationship. Now you touch Madlanga ngazi why you bempikisa guys. I didn't get that. So it's just like just leave it. Maybe there's a chance ukuthi she was in love with him, maybe he wasn't. Like what's about this is the good thing now, and then the person is like, please best Jolly. What would you think best Jola bese idlalela? Like you know those things. Mesebona umfazi wakhe naye le ebhongweni ehleli ukuthi oh my wife knows now. Like kuba lot. But the wife didn't seem ngathi she cared. When they appeared at High Court, she was just like whatever. Look kuba lot, you are in jail anyways. And there's a chance that you're going to rot in jail. So why would I care? In any case, there's like just like 3 women that have been busy with this guy that have been implicated. Although a fourth one was like, if it's not Tebo Khotopejana and then who? And Rachel Majing, please, we're done now. So is there another one? But looking at this guy the way he is, he could have had more girlfriends. Ukhet Matlala. Flashing imali yomtshotsho. I'm just like, why? Ufani Masemula further said ukuthi eMadlanga vele into yakhe hectic anyways, the people would need some security and all of that. There's one no Paulo Sullivan bavele babaleka. Paulo Sullivan so ukuthi yabona la ngizohamba ngcono ngibuyele kwela kithi futhi it's not even kwela kubo there. Paulo Sullivan kona kubo UK lo muntu has quite a few citizenships kubo apparently it's in Ireland. I don't think he's coming back, that guy. He's done. He's done a lot of damage. And ngiyabona ukuthi sogcina sim extraditor. He must come back here. Azophendula indaba zakhe ngoba unomuntu lo mufika enyaweni lo muntu. He's got a big mouth. Kodwa manje is ran away and then uyambona uBrown Mkhotsa akasafuna ukusho ku-airport. Besides ke Madlanga he went there while we talked crap there. He didn't know what he was talking about there. Manje usebalekile uhleli lapha nemafama kuba sikazi ukuthi ukuphi. It's just like mina kodwa ngi. And i-adhoc ayikuboni ngokuthi you need security. Ikubona ngokuthi you are disrespectful. Uyasijwayela, you must come. Mangithi ubukhuluma la ukhuluma into ongazazi, then you must come answer for yourself. So uFani Masemolo was just saying ukuthi abantu banneed the protection. Siyabona kwenzakala. Hayi Madlanga ku-hectic guys. And then we might never know ukuthi ke what happened to Mbenze unless there's other more people abanjengo Leandra kanye this Fana Meve guy who witnessed it. Who knows what happened to Mbenze before he was thrown in the dam. So similar guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.